Alright, say you're working on collapsing a mesh and you accidentally collapse something that shouldn't be collapsed. Like this is basically going through the mesh. What you want to do is go into the vertex mode and make sure that you select that vertex that you want to get rid of. And then from there, a simple way to do it is to go into edit mesh and go into detach. And what that does is it breaks that apart. From there, you can simply grab the vertices that you want, and it's going to break everything. So what you have to do is just kind of go in there and grab the pieces, and I'm just going to turn on X-ray mode so you can see the inside, and then I'm going to just pull those pieces apart like that, and then turn off the X-ray mode and make sure that you have only those vertices selected, and then you can collapse those together. Shift right click to do that, and then from there it's just a matter of putting it back into its spot that it was at. Same thing on this side. You can grab that again, make sure that that's all you're grabbing, and then you can merge to the center and then bring that back out as well. And that's how you fix something like that. And so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know.